In this video, I will be showing you how to install and set up PewDiePie's Odysseus AI on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for PewDiePie Odysseus GitHub. We'll be having the official GitHub link. Open it, and apart from that, we'll be also getting the official website. Open this also. Here in the official site, if you scroll, we'll be having all the features in this particular tool like chat and agents, MCPs, cookbook, deep research, compare, memory skills and stuff. And if you scroll down more, here also we are having the similar features, cookbook, we're having the deep research feature and also notes taker, along with even image gallery where we can generate and edit images and stuff. Now let's see how we can install it. So just go to their official GitHub, and if you scroll down, we'll be also having the features in much more detail. If you scroll down even further, we'll be having the Docker method. In case if you're already having Docker, you can simply run these commands after cloning the repository. If you scroll down further, here we are having the way how to install for native in Linux and macOS. Apart from that, we are specifically having a way for Apple Silicon users. Just run these 3 commands. And next, we are also having for native Windows. So you can simply choose the way that you want, if you want to go with the Docker way or the native Apple way. So I am going to go with the Apple Silicon way, and in case if you are using Apple Intel chip, you need to follow this particular method. Okay, the prerequisite is going to be you must have Git as well as Python installed on the system. As it clearly says, we need Python above the version 3.11. so make sure that you're getting Git from the official site and Python from their official site. Straightforward installation process. So now let's begin. First thing is we need to clone this repository. So first step is create a new folder on the system where we are going to clone the repository. I have just created this folder, so right click on it and select new terminal at this folder. Here we can just run the git clone command. So I'll just close it, and I'll be going with the Apple Silicon one. I will simply copy the first command, Command C, and paste it, hit enter. Once it is done, next is we need to run the cd command. So copy this also, and final one is we need to just run start macOS and just hit enter. This will basically install all the necessary packages, so just be patient for a while. After some time, we'll be getting Odysseus setup, and if you scroll down here, it's saying creating initial admin. We need to enter our username. So just enter your username over here. I will just enter it, and next we need to type the password, and we need to confirm it again. Now it's starting Odysseus, and this is going to be the default path in the browser, which is localhost 7860. This is the default path for this particular Apple Silicon. After some time, we'll be getting it is ready and opening in the browser. We have got the login screen automatically opened. Just type the username and password that you entered before and select sign in. Yes, we can now start using Odysseus. As we saw in the official website, we are having a lot of tools, cookbook, deep research, library. We're having here the agent and chat. So now let's try chatting it with a model. Here we are having select model. Click it. At the moment it is empty. Click on plus, and this is a way to add models. First one is through local one, and this one we can try using Ollama. In case if you are having Ollama, you can simply start using it. And apart from that, the next method is going to be with the help of API. So here we are having so many APIs that we can config. Just add their API key over here and start using it. And another way is also there. For that, just go to cookbook. With the help of this cookbook, it will automatically scan and suggest us models that we can use for our system itself. So we can simply select the model from here also and download and use it. But in many cases, already people will be having Ollama on their system. So you can simply plug in Ollama to this Odysseus. Now I will show you how we can use Odysseus with the help of Ollama. Now go to select model, click on plus, and just go to local. Here we'll be having quick start. Select Ollama, and this URL will be added over here. Click on add, and it says 2 models added because those are the 2 models that I'm having in Ollama. After that, we'll be getting this delete or disable if you want to remove the local connection. And these are the 2 models that I'm having here in Ollama. So I'll just close it. And as you can see, I'm having here 2 models. These are directly coming from my Ollama. So I'll just select this and I'll just say hi. And as you can see, we have got the response, and we can use these models everywhere. Let's suppose say you want to go to deep research, and here we'll be having the number of rounds, the search engine, the endpoint. I'll just select it, and we can use the Ollama model to deep research also, give your prompt here. So it's useful everywhere inside Odysseus, whatever you want to perform. Now let's suppose say if you want to reopen Odysseus, simple, we just need to run this command after going to the folder where you have cloned. So I will just go here, new terminal, and just run this command. And this time it will be very fast because all the requirements are already added. As you can see, requirement already satisfied. Everything will take place so quickly. As you can see, it has started and we are getting the same interface like this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.